Hi, I'll show you now a little demo for VGDD Visual Graphic Display Designer. It is a replacement for the original Microchip's Graphic Display Designer. It enhances it, letting you draw your user interface for your embedded application literally in minutes, saving you a lot of time. Let's start adding a new screen. Change its background color to maroon. Adding any of these graphic object layer controls you are used to, for example static text. Then adding a button by selecting it and drawing it, or by dragging and dropping. These are the three methods to add controls. You can align them using those lines typical to Visual Studio, Microsoft Visual Studio IDE. They can aid you to align controls, make them same size, and so on. You can copy, edit, copy, and then edit, paste, or simply hitting Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. Let's make room for the fourth button. You can change a property, for example the ratios, all together. I'll select all four buttons together and then change the common property radius to 10 to make them round. The text should be changed one after the other. Text start, pause, stop, stop. To delete an unwanted control, simply hit Shift Delete. I can add a window with its own bitmap. This is the Resource Bitmap Chooser that lets you add any of your bitmaps. I'll choose this one and then select it. Change the text of the title. Change the alignment. This is left. I'll center it. And so on. I can add a progress bar down there. I can move by 1 pixel using arrows. I can using Shift I can stretch the controls so you have the complete controls on the dimensions of your interface. Let's add a slider here on the right edge, but I want it to be vertical, so I double click or I select here. I can put on the right edge. I can add a checkbox and 2 radio buttons. To change the background color of the controls, I have to move here where is the scheme properties. The common background color, the default is white. I set it to maroon like the screen, and you can add as many schemes as you want. You can add another screen, copying controls between them. Let's copy these 3 buttons, Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. I make room for a round dial, a big one. So as you can see, it's simply a matter of mouse movement and clicking. When you're done, you hit this button, generate code, that generates the C code to be compiled within your embedded application with MPLAB or MPLAB-X. As you see, the source is very similar to the one generated by the original microchips utility, with some enhancements. So I invite you to purchase the application because it will save you a lot of time and will be also enhanced in the future. Thank you for your attention, and bye bye.